This isn't just mango juice. It's the smoothest, most refreshing, and delicious mango juice you'll ever make with only a few simple ingredients. Stay with me because one small step at the end makes all the difference in getting the fresh tropical flavor. The secret starts with the mangoes. The riper they are, the sweeter and smoother your juice will be. I'm using two ripe mangoes, and every bit of that golden flesh is going right into the blender. Don't leave any behind. That's where the flavor is. Now for the ingredient that wakes up everything. Fresh lemon juice. 3 cups of cold water going in first, followed by all of my mango pulps. Okay, maybe 3 cups of water. That should be it. And 2 lemons. Squeezing the juice of 2 to 3 lemons. If your mangoes are extra sweet, use 3, and if they are tart, then 2 is perfect. I don't want it so I don't add no sugar really. I should if I need I'll add some. There we go. Now blend everything until it's silky smooth. In just a few seconds, you'll see exactly what the consistency should look like before you pour it. Looks good. Do it a little more. That's exactly what you're looking for. Thick enough to coat the glass, but still light and refreshing. Oh my stars. Mango fiesta. Family, try this nice juice. Refresh.